Hi, I'm Dr. Prathap Addageethala, Clinic Director here at Atlas Chiropractic and Wellness in Indiranagar, Bangalore. Chiropractors are trained with a variety of techniques throughout their education. Some professionals also choose to learn advanced techniques via seminars and continuing education. Because of the wide variety of techniques available, it is difficult to generalize how each practitioner performs an adjustment. Here at Atlas Chiropractic and Wellness, we primarily use the diversified adjustment technique. After a thorough examination of the involved structures and learning about the history of the injury, chiropractors using this technique palpate or feel the joint movement, assess the range of motion, and correct any restrictions they find using a precise and controlled thrust.